Alan is checking out a product that's supposed to make the bath and shower a little safer. Although this suction cup handle appears to be intended as a grab bar,
and it's just that when you read something like this, automatically it denotes a grab bar.
the manufacturer backs away from making that specific claim.
Then they're very, very clear to tell you, used for stability only, not intended to support full body weight.
But the question is, how does it work? So Alan attaches it to the wall of the shower and puts it to the test with a little weight.
That's pretty doggone good seal on that.
And then a little more.
Hey, look, hand me that 10-pound weight in there.
And then a lot.
I can tell you that's more than 10 pounds right there.
The Super Grip seems to do the job it's intended for quite well.
Yeah, I can see it will start to move a little bit if you put a whole lot more weight on there. All in all, it's very good.
It's still just a temporary fix, but apparently a pretty good one. We give it a 4 out of 5 rating.